If you want to do more with less, this video will go over 3 features that will allow you to do less work and more play. So this 45S was built to bring some efficiency in what you're doing day to day, to help reduce hours, give back time to you, and maintain high quality splices. So the performance of this machine has increased compared to the 41S. Then really the third thing is that it's a little bit more flexible in its ergonomics. So let's start there. Right now you're looking at the 45S set up on its tray that comes with the standard yellow hard case that you're used to seeing. This has different mounting places for your straps so that you can, whether you're splicing off of your neck or you're hanging it off of a nid, you have some flexibility. But then also what's kind of cool is that it comes with a tray that expands out like this to give you a little bit more of a workstation when you're in those tight spots trying to splice fiber. So now let's take a look at what about the efficiency. So I'm showing some of the ergonomic advantages with this machine, the tiltable screen as well. But what about some of the efficiency gains? So there's a video out there that we just made that will go further into detail. Please go check it out. But efficiency. So the big efficiency here is that we're able to prep 2 fibers at once. We can strip 2 fibers at once, drop it into the cleaver, and the cleaver is designed to cleave 2 fibers at once. The cleaver is the CT50, which you might be familiar with from the 41S, its predecessor, or the 90S or 90R. It does come with all the different clips that you need. So if you want to cleave 1 fiber at a time, you can use the 250 micron, 900 micron clip, or even the splice-on connector clips. All right, so that's one of the big efficiency gains right there. One of the other efficiency gains when we open up this hood, you'll see that these clips, there's like these tails here. So when we go to place a fiber, I've got one ready right here. When we go to place that fiber, I don't have to hold this one hand and then close my clip. With one hand, I can press that down. When I press on that plate, that clip automatically closes. So also on these clips, you'll see that there's this white slide. If we move that around, right now it's in the right position. So after my burn, we'll open up the hood, we'll open up the clips, and the fiber is then loose. If I slide that white piece to the left, then after we open up the hood, after it's spliced, open up the hood, open up our clips, this white hammer stays down holding the fiber in place. Useful for when you don't have a ton of fiber slack to work with. So now the last thing I want to talk about is the performance of this machine. So it does have better splicing performance. It averages 0.03 dB loss splices. So it's slightly better than its predecessor, which really keeps pushing the space for where we can be using a clad alignment machine. So the active clad alignment, another big improvement here is that these motors are able to adjust more for poor placement. So the Z motor overrun errors, you're not going to get as many as those. So with this screen here, we see that we had a 0 dB loss. The motors put some pressure on that splice, tugging on it. I believe it's 2 pounds. Then we can pop this out. Thought I forgot my sleeve for a second there, guys. We got it. We got it. I shouldn't quit my day job. We'll drop this in the heater, and we are ready to rock. Awesome new features here with the 45S. Let's go to the next drop. The 45S. Work less, play more.